for those of you guys that don't know, I have crashed like fucking 3 drones. It's crazy. So we're here in Rosemary Beach. It's a little bit by my house. I don't live in this neighborhood. It's a little bit too desperate house-wise for me, but it's pretty cool. I mean, I like this kind of setup where like everybody gets to kind of live next to each other, and you got like this kind of weird, creepy, cool vibe where neighbors are neighbors, except there's nobody really here right now. So we're just fucking creeping around like,
social media is a big part of the business.
of course.
It seems like Forex is such a big thing. Like it's such a big topic. Everyone wants to be trading Forex. There's all these like seems like there's like a multi-level marketing company that's dealing with like Forex. I guess they're selling the education. You know, people can get into this thing. They can,
I have seen that.
Yeah, they can you know sign other people up under them type of thing. Like one of those types of businesses. I mean, what do you think in terms of Forex versus just stocks? Like what's, I mean, you just trade stocks, right?
I just trade stocks.
Yeah.
I have traded Forex numerous times. Oh, that gimbal gets a little bit loose there. You see, it was just over there.
Yeah.
I have traded Forex. I got a futures account, Forex account. I just prefer stocks. That's kind of my thing. The thing with the Forex that I've noticed is I think people get into it just because the barrier of entry is lower.
Yeah.
You know, you can open a Forex account for, I don't know, what, $50, $150 sometimes. So I think people get into it because it's just easier to get into. And there's no pattern day trade rule, right? So if you don't have a pattern day trade rule, why not get into Forex? Yeah. So I think that's why people get into it originally. But in general, in trading, if you're good at it, there's a market for it.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, so whether you're in futures or options or whatever, it doesn't matter.
Okay, who do you guys run with?
I run with myself. I run with the Bulls, baby.
Bulls. You guys trade binary too?
No binary. Binary's tough, man. I've never seen anybody good at it.
Yeah, it's pretty rough, man. Mathematics is not so good.
Yeah, I don't think I think it's set up to just kind of, it's a commission stealer. So he trades binary options.
Yeah.
Binary options is probably a huge scam.
Like what is that exactly?
I don't know. I know that it's binary, so you can either win or you lose it all. So it's like a bet, like a 50-50 trade maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, I think it's majority a scam because like on our YouTube channel, we have what, 30,000 subscribers. We get, you know, comments on everything. For every one real comment I get of like,
There's
hey,
always a spam on binary.
a nice video or a question, I get 20. Check out this binary application.
Yeah.
Hey,
Or Steve Things changed my life. He did.
hey friends, now binary applications can save your career and also make you man, I'm going Ty Lopez again. I'm
Shout
upset.
out to Ty Lopez.
I love it, man. I watched the damn 67 steps so many times. I think that maybe I just, like, I'm inherently just, I have his voice in my head. And that his Instagram story.
Well, he's pretty much everywhere.
Yeah, it is true. He owns YouTube, man. I turn on my own YouTube channel and that's all I see. But I think binary is probably a scam because I get hundreds. We have to look at hundreds of binary options comments like every day.
Yeah.
Like, how's that even possible? I'm sitting there. I got freaking tuberculosis of the fingers. Is that a thing? Whatever. Carpal tunnel of the fingers from deleting binary comments all day.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I'm not a big believer. I read a few articles too that there's like all these firms are like in Israel, and what they do is they get the accounts and they don't give you the money back because they know nobody's going to win. Who knows? I think the stock market's just a cleaner market, and it's a little bit more fun because you know you're going and doing research on companies that you might know or like, and like I love it. Like even though tickers are just tickers, like when I trade something like GoPro, even though GoPro is the worst stock ever, like inherently just I get like a little tickle in it. Like, man, I'm shorting GoPro today, even though I love their products. So who knows? I mean, it could be good, could be bad. It's not even my place to say. There's options, there's futures, there's Forex. There's a lot of stuff, and like
I do notice that with
if you're good, you're good. That's how I always look at things.
okay, let's get into that. What types of creams are you using?
Face creams, well, you know, as you get in your 30s, your face care regimen is a little bit more deep. I mean, you got to use normally like a light exfoliator in the morning, a toner.
Do you apply it to your whole face? Or?
A serum, you know, like some kind of age repair serum, maybe. I like Grown Alchemist. That's like a nice serum company.
Yeah.
SkinCeuticals eye serum I use. You know, just trying to stay young. But yeah, I got a regimen. You know, just not much. I mean, it's not too girly, right? It's just a little bit of exfoliator.
How'd you learn about like
serum?
Yeah, but how'd you learn about these
Moisturizer, eye cream, eye serum. Just a few things. Just a few things, man. Don't judge me.
Sounds like you went to like an informational like
No.
session.
No. I mean, mostly I get it all from GQ or Men's Health.
Oh, okay.
But then I go like, I like to do double. Like, you know, Men's Health is like a Neutrogena paid ad. Like, you go on Men's Health and like, oh, try this Neutrogena thing. You're like, like anybody's gonna buy Neutrogena. And look, 10 years young. I'm trying to erase some years off my... I smile too much. I have smile lines. I'm a happy person.
Your birthday's coming up soon, isn't it?
Yes.
April, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if you could get anything for your birthday,
World peace.
what would you want? World peace, eh?
I don't know. That just seems like the thing to do. Like, you know, when you're like in the beauty pageant, they
Yeah.
always say, I want world peace.
Yeah.
And I felt like that kind
Miss
of...
Congeniality.
Yeah, that kind of questioning that you were doing, you're putting me in a box, and I had to say world peace. I mean, I could want something totally different. You know what I would love?
What's that?
If I could eat pizza every day and not get fat. Dude, if you could eat pepperoni pizza every single day of your life and not put on any weight, and it was like healthy for you, like
I would love that.
you ate like 5 slices of pizza and it was like eating 5 salads.
Okay, but I mean, if that was the case, do you think you would still like it?
100%. Everybody loves pizza.
I mean, I just think it's just part of human nature to
Communist.
like things we can't have.
Communist. That's a communist comment.
But it's true.
In America, this guy's Canadian, by the way. In America, we love pizza no matter what form. We love pizza no matter what.
I think
we don't care if it's microwave pizza, toaster pizza, frozen pizza, pizza from Domino's, pizza from Pizza Hut. A pizza is a pizza, and it's amazing. I'm the baddest man in the game.
Really?
I mean, in the game.
In the game.
In the game.
In the game.
You look me up, man, and you tell me, you hit me up on my website and message me, tell me I'm not the baddest man in the game. What's with all the golf carts around here?
It's the way to travel around here.
I'm thinking golf cart life is the way to go, because you can get a cool golf cart, put rims on it and shit. Yeah. I mean, you put rims on your golf cart, it's like having a sports car.